11th, which is like 2005. And this is also Museokatu, which was the number?
And 36.
36 tekis C. In this building I filmed this tekis A.
Yeah.
That has been modernized in 1988, I think, with the there. And then B is not yet filmed.
Yeah.
It was built in 1926, the chamber says 504, has been modernized in 1986, according to the pictures. Beautiful doors for sure.
Yeah.
It's a Helsinki has scores Rosemoni in Finland. Those interesting generic call buttons here.
Yeah.
But I don't know if they're on each floor, but maybe.
Yeah. Is built by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Kone.
Second one. Even though the machine was replaced in 1986, but it's a nice one.
Yeah.
Good sounds.
Yeah.
Like a typical 84 to 86 Kone machine.
Yeah.
Early mid 1980s. So in this building we have to try the staircase B also.
Yeah. Yeah, cool. And very call buttons here also.
Interesting. They were used together with some MP8 and Kone.
Yeah.
I don't know why they used some MP8.
Yeah.
Maybe it was something that fitted in with the style that they could choose sometimes.
Yeah.
That metal plate must have been changed in the 1950s.
Yeah.
The interior was changed then.
Yeah. That's